Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to delete your TikTok account. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So if you're in a situation where you want to delete your TikTok account, then follow the next steps. Open up your TikTok app. Now tap on the profile tab at the bottom right. Then tap on three lines at the top right. Tap on Manage Account. On this page, if you look at the bottom of the list, you'll see the option to delete account. Tap on that. TikTok will ask you if you want to download your data. You can download your data if you want to keep it by pressing on Request Download. After that, agree to the below statement and then press Continue. On this screen, TikTok will warn you one more time. It also states your account will be deactivated for 30 days and then it will be deleted permanently. During that 30 days, it won't be visible to anyone. So these are the things you're restricted to. So go ahead and read it, and then once you agree, tap on Continue. Now TikTok will ask you to verify your account again. You'll need to sign in to the email address you signed up with. Once you sign in, it'll then take you to the screen where you can now press Delete Account and it'll delete it. And that is how to delete your TikTok account. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.